Thank you so much, Gumdrop Warriors. We have over 500,000 channel views on the channel. Thank you so much, you all. We have achieved 514,873 views as of 7:45 a.m. on Wednesday, November 26, 2025. Thank you once more, Gumdrop Gang. By glorifying Jesus Christ unapologetically, working hard and keeping the faith, you can achieve your dreams. May God bless you all and thank you very much. God bless and shalom. Are you ready to be the best version of yourself, Gumdrop? If so, now is your time. Book your coaching session with me and Sugarplum watch you transform your life with candy-coated confidence. I will teach you how to see things through the truth of the Bible and recognize the dark psychological tactics toxic people use against you. I will also show you, through the power of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, how to protect yourself both physically and spiritually. Coaching sessions are $60 and can be paid through CashApp, Zelle, or PayPal. All sales are final. No exchanges or refunds will be granted. Full details on how to order your coaching session will be provided in the description box. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, Gumdrop Gang, is there anything you'd like for me to talk about? If so, comment down below and I'll make a video about it. Remember, Jesus Christ loves you. And in this ministry, we refuse to allow anyone to dim our light. We let our light shine bright, Matthew 5:16. Make sure you hype the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. God bless and shalom. Numbers 6:24-26, John 8:12, Philippians 4:7.
Praise the Lord Jesus Christ. We praise the Lord Jesus Christ.